to Medical Myths Friday. Today we're going to talk about the myth that genetics determine our health outcomes. It's simply not true, and science shows us that actually our health outcomes are more closely related to our habits and our choices. We've all heard it before. My father had a heart attack, so I'm destined to have a heart attack. Cancer runs in my family and there's nothing that I can do about it. Your genes do play a role in how your body functions. Your height, your eye color, or how you break down food. They can make it more likely that you develop diseases like diabetes or heart disease or even some cancers. But here's the key. Genes rarely work alone. Think of genes like a light switch. Just because you have a risky gene doesn't mean that gene is going to be switched on. Things like your choices and your environment are going to impact whether or not that gene's switch gets flipped. Ever heard of epigenetics? Epigenetics is the study of how your environment and your choices affect your gene expression. Imagine two identical twins. One manages stress, eats a healthy diet, exercises regularly, and gets good sleep. The other eats ultra-processed food, rarely exercises, and smokes regularly. Over the course of time, their health is going to look vastly different, even though they share the same genes. Here's some epigenetics. Exercise flips on the gene that protects against inflammation. Smoking can cause genetic damage and increase disease risk. Even chronic stress can turn on genes that increase risk for disease. Now let me share a personal example. My father died of metastatic esophageal cancer. He came from a long line of long-lived individuals, but he started smoking young and enjoyed his drink. There is now good evidence that had my father made different decisions, he would have lived a longer, healthier life. So what can you do to positively influence your health? Keep your body moving. Even a 10-minute walk after you eat is beneficial. Eat whole foods, things like vegetables, whole grains, fruits, lean proteins, things that will help nourish your body. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. The combination is especially concerning regarding cancers. Get quality sleep. Your body repairs itself as it rests. So, what's one small change that you can make that will improve your health in the future? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.